Hey guys, so today we are reviewing Shopify 3D print on demand stores, and we're looking at Faces of History first. Let's see here, what do we got? This is the website. Overall looks good, good title, nice layout, good header, white on complicated background. Don't do that. Fix that. Make that bold. Something. I don't know what all. And also the blue, well, the blue is fine. It'd be cool if this was like kind of a bronzy color, or yellow, or some warmer color, because you have stone and ice. So that's just the design of it. 3D PD. Okay, Faces of History. Best sellers. Let's see the best sellers. Oh, okay, so these are busts. Alrighty. Donald Trump is one. Interesting. So I wonder if this pricing is like a political statement. Or positive or negative. I don't know which direction that would go. Okay, so it looks like we have some resin ones, and I'm going to guess that's an FDM one. Can I zoom on this? I can't zoom on that. Oh, it is a resin one. Oh, this is a little itty bitty resin ones. Okay, so these are little resin 3D prints. 12-inch filled, expensive. Yeah, the resin gets expensive on that. But look at it listed as a whole. Sculpture bust pedestal, pretty good description. Looks good. Pricing is good. I think that pricing is fair and decent. White, gold. Okay. What do these colors look like? Okay, good swatch batch. Too many types of gray, I would say. You don't need both those. Or white marble. Okay, maybe you do. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Description is good. Discovered 16th. Okay, so that's about Abraham Lincoln himself, not really about the bust. I'm not sure about that. Oh, okay, but this keeps on going. Oh, fantastic. This is a really good description. It gives context, gives detail, is SEO friendly, all the things. Good work. Okay, so that title and descriptions all look good. Site layout looks good. Let's see here. This is a 7-inch bust. That's FDM. I didn't see layer lines right there. So this is FDM, 2 different colors. Bronze, gray, white, 7-inch, small. There we go. Good pricing again. Yes, a bust size of about that size should be that price. Good description, all good stuff. Okay, good deal. No, this is great. Good photos, product photos are good. Man, this is too easy. This is going really well. Everything, the pricing is good, photos are good, title is good, description is good. Let's see here. What's on clearance? Do you have stuff on clearance? Michael Faraday, George Ohm. Oh, good famous people, but they just might not be selling very well. Taft, Theodore Roosevelt. Okay, so a lot of them are on sale, just kind of generally. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I would say the things that I would improve is you might put some videos inside of here, but that's kind of a nitpick. The layout is good. You have descriptions at the bottom. It's a nice, clean site. It's all down. Not much I would recommend. I would imagine that this might require quite a bit of print farming. So if you ever want to outsource some of it, you can use a service like Slant3D or something, and they can do it print on demand. So you literally put a Shopify plugin into your Shopify website, and then when the parts are, when an order comes through, you can match up orders with a product listing. And then when that listing is purchased, Slant3D will print and ship that item to your customer for you. It's a little bit tough with this because you have 2 parts, which are the base and the head. There are 2 different colors that can create some issues, but there's ways of kind of jerry-rigging that stuff, and it's not the end of the world. So that's a way to kind of take production work off your plate. Because then you don't have to worry about printing it. But you've been around for a while. Printers, been doing printers for a while. Okay. Partnered with artists, good. So you get your own file design. I poured everything to build out all. We finished paying for the kids' education. Oh, good for you. This is a very successful one. After 6 years, 105 3D printers. Million of print hours. Good work. Congratulations. Yeah, good work. Like, that's fantastic. Yeah, if the print farms are great, certainly during COVID. But again, I would consider print farms can turn into a hole, so you want to watch out for that. But if it's going well, congratulations, man. That's fantastic. No, this looks really, really great. And yeah, you're using resin, all the rest of it, all looks good. No, I don't have too many notes. Like overall, this looks good. I would say make sure you're running ads if you can, because these are something that would work. You could advertise these on Facebook, and there'd be people who are interested, because you literally just go by the interest category of like J.R.R. Tolkien or whatever it was, or C.S. Lewis, all of them. And then you have the Greek busts too, so all the Stoics like you. Just all this stuff is fine. No, congratulations. Like, this is a very good looking store. Yeah, the only tweak I would have is if you get tired of the print farm, outsourcing a little bit of it so that you can focus on having fun and creating the products and that kind of stuff and running the printers that you want to, but it doesn't become a job. It's something that you can step away from and know that it'll continue operating. So those are the things to be aware of with that. But other than that, congratulations. Congratulations on the success. This is really great.